Shadows are very important. The same object with different light and shadows can have different interpretations. For example, shadows can make an object look more dramatic or more positive. Shadows also give a sense of depth to drawings and paintings. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Andre, and here I talk about drawing, painting and creativity. In today's video, I'll show you how to create shadows in watercolor painting. I'll use color theory and transparency, that each is one of the most interesting properties of watercolor. To do this, I'll use this drawing of two bananas. So, the main color of banana is yellow, right? If you look at the color wheel, the opposite color to yellow is purple. So, to make purple, you can mix red and blue. This creates the purple we need for this painting. After mix the purple, let's start to apply it in the areas where there will be the shadows. When we use opposite color to create shadows, it's important to control the intensity. For dark shadows, we add more paint. For lighter shadows, we soften the color carefully. Don't forget to have every time a test paper nearby. This way you can check the color before applying it to the painting. I almost forget, I leave the link, the reference image below in the description, so you can join me and practice these tips. I would love to see your final results. If you want, you can post them on Instagram and tag me. Now that we have finished applying purple, we need to let the painting dry before continuing. With the purple layer dry, we can now apply the yellow. Now comes in the amazing characteristic of watercolor, transparency. When we paint yellow on top, the purple layer is still visible below. This creates the illusion of shadow. Yellow and purple together make a beautiful contrast and add depth to the painting. Due to the transparency of watercolor, we can mix colors in painting without losing the light effect. The shadow comes to life and the painting looks more realistic. For now, let's finish applying the yellow to our painting, and I'll be right back. Now that the base of our painting is ready, we can add more details to make it even better. Let's start by darkening some of the shadow areas. To do this, we'll use the wet on wet technique. Since the yellow paint is still wet, we'll apply the purple on top. This creates a smoother transition between colors. For this painting, I'm using cellulose paper, which dries faster than cotton paper. This makes the technique a bit harder, but with practice we can still get good results. To finish the painting, I'll add some details. For example, the small darker spots on the banana and the darker parts at the top. I'll also improve some of the shadows. Instead of only using purple, I'll mix it with yellow. This creates a darker yellow, perfect to making the shadows stronger without losing a natural look. Finally, to give the painting a finished touch, I'll add a background. I choose blue because it looks great with yellow. This contrast makes the drawing stand out even more. With the background, the painting comes to life. It adds depth and highlights to the details of our composition. To share with you, I recently created my page on Patreon. There I'll share extra content, full versions of videos that I post here on YouTube. I'll explain step by step the process of some of my works. Besides extra content that I'll share there, I will also do giveaways of prints of my works regularly. I want to create a community and connect people who love arts and want to learn more. So, if you would like to support my work, you can do it there. Or you can simply share my work and subscribe my channel. That helps a lot as well. Now, did we finish our painting? What do you think about the final result? If you liked this video and tips, give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. That helps a lot. Please feel free to leave your opinion and questions in the comments. Now, let you with the final result. See you on the next video.